Greetings, I'm Karen Gully, CEO of Faucet Training LLC, and this is Once Upon a Time in Food Safety, an encounter with a food allergen. Now, most of us know someone with a food allergy. I'm one of those people, and I would like to share with you a little of my story. I'm in my 60s now, but my first symptoms appeared in my early teens. Back then, food allergy testing wasn't common. Years later, I finally learned I'm allergic to soy, one of the big 9 allergens that account for the vast majority of food allergies in the United States. As a teenager, I had a severe outbreak of hives so alarming that I was hospitalized. The physician mistakenly suspected Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Fortunately, today, testing for food allergies is more available and accurate. Now, while at-home kits exist, the most reliable path for food allergy identification is working with a professional who specializes in food allergies. In recent years, I've had a few close calls with soy, one so serious that after a single bite, I was on the verge of a life-threatening reaction. I couldn't even speak to call out for help. There are a range of symptoms that can result, in my case, anywhere from mild to the swelling of my tongue, affecting the ability to talk and breathe. Moments like that are why awareness and training really matter. There's been real progress to help the public and the food industry. Food manufacturers in the United States are required to identify the big 9 allergens by their common names on ingredient labels. More states now, just like Georgia, now require restaurants and other food operations to provide allergen awareness training for staff and to post information about the top allergens in the foods that they serve. These are important steps, but we still have work to do because quite often I still receive incorrect information about the presence of food allergens in the food I'm getting ready to consume or purchase. Even though no one is really intentionally trying to share incorrect information. When obtaining and providing food allergen training, keep in mind that specific areas should be covered. Identification of the most common allergens and where they show up, accurate reading of food labels, prevention of cross contact, and that's when you're keeping allergens away from foods and surfaces not intended to contain them, and appropriate response to someone having an allergic reaction. All are important. At Faucet Training, we offer food allergen awareness training that cover these essentials and more. I have lots of stories to help the information stick. If you're a food worker, a manager, or simply someone who cooks for others, we'd love to have you join us. Visit our website at faucet.training. That's FAWSIT.training to see upcoming classes and explore other food safety training and services we provide. Thank you for taking the time to listen. And until next time, always think food safety. Bye.